Well, here it is. The long-awaited orange dragon fruit. They have finally ripened. I have had many people requesting seeds from this plant, and so they will be forthcoming very soon. They look like to me dead ripe, and so I'm going to take them off today. Yep, definitely looks ripe. Ain't going to get any better than that. And we have more flower buds coming along right behind it, so it's going to bloom again. I see the next plant down the row there also has flower buds forming on it. So this is the first time that the orange dragon fruit has ever actually made anything for me. The crop is pretty light, not much out here, but there's enough that I can share some seeds. So now we need to sample it. Here we are in the test kitchen. I have the orange dragon fruits. Now I just went across these with a brush. There were a few thorns on these, but they are far more thorn-less than the yellow variety. Now so far all the fruit is a bit smaller, and so I'm not overly excited about the fruit size, but the fruits that I got the seeds out of weren't any bigger than this either, so apparently runs in the type. But I had never seen one with this color. I had to have it. So let's see what it looks like inside. It's a first for me too, live here on the camera. Ooh, pretty. Pretty. Okay, well, it's a beautiful pink on the inside. Let's see what the seeds look like here. No, they're on the smallish side. They're more like, they're more like the seeds in the Costa Rican dragon fruit. So these are on the little side here. The question is, what does it taste like? Pleasant. That's good. Yeah, it's not as sweet as the yellow. Let's see what happens when we extract the juice here. Well, cheers. Here's to you. Good. Yeah, it's good. It's not as sweet as the yellow, but the purple flavor in it comes with more like an antioxidant quality, the sort of berry-like. Yeah, it seems to be halfway in between probably the Hylocereus costaricensis and Solanacereus megalanthus. I have a feeling that's what this is a cross between the two. I don't know, I cannot find the plant anywhere. I just happened to locate this fruit in the local farmer's market, and the people who had it just said, oh, dragon fruit. So we don't know what it is. Well, it's good. It's got a nice color. Flavor's good. Plum-like, perhaps? I would say plum-like. Tasty. Makes a much better juice than the regular dragon fruit does, that's for sure. And so there, folks, you have it. The orange dragon fruit that has been long awaited. I will have seeds. It's going to take me maybe another week to get these seeds dry before I can put them on the web. But within the next couple of weeks, before we hit the end of March 2019, I will have a limited amount of this seed for sale for people who are interested. Hey, aloha, thanks for watching, and hey, don't let your dragon fruit hang too long.